Welcome to another session of Fat Potato Cooks. Today we're going to make some SEV, which is a very nice snack. Can be used as a base for a number of dishes, street food, Indian street food snacks. I'll show you those another time, but let's make the SEV first. This is what we do. So what do we need to do first? We have some besan or some gram flour, some vegetable oil, some salt, some red chili powder and some water. That's pretty much all we have to do, is mix all of this and form a nice soft dough. The reason it needs to be soft is because we have to use one of these machines with this dish, so the dough has to be pushed through this to make the small worms. I'm also going to try out one of these, which is a potato ricer with that. Let's see what the results are. I haven't used that one before, so it's all going to be a bit of an adventure. So let's see how we go. What do we do first? As always, let's mix all of the dry ingredients together. So here's the salt, followed by the red chili. And let's give this a mix. Next, make a well. Let's get the oil in. Straight vegetable oil. The vegetable oil in. Just mix this in. Now all the oil is done and mixed in well. Best way to see or check it is by doing a squeeze test, and all that is just grab a handful. Does it hold its shape? There you go. So that means now let's add a small amount of water to get a paste, not too runny. Once we've mixed all the oil in, we have a nice dough that we can now probably use that's quite very soft. Just keep that moving. So, having cleaned up our working surface, it's not like a nice working surface, we have our dough. We need to just divide this into very soft, just the easily manageable bits. These. Take one to try. Let's screw the top. There they come, ready to pop into the oil. And this time I'm also going to use a ricer, because I've not used this before, and see if this actually works. So let's just drop a lump in there. We'll see what comes out. And that one as well. Let's give it a go. Once the oil temperature is up to speed, all we need to do is take the machine and start turning. And out comes the SEV. Let that fry for a couple of seconds. All we then need to do is flip it over. Do the next side. Only takes a few seconds this. And then once it's ready, scoop it out. And then leave the drain. We now do that until we've finished all the mix. So now that you've done all that work and you're frying, this is what the end result is. This is the SEV straight from the fryer, and to actually make it edible, all you need to do is push. There we go. that's your SEV. It can be used for all sorts of snacks or just eat it straight with a spoon. This is our results using the potato ricer. A bit thicker, but same principle, just crunch it down. And there you have a slightly thicker SEV. Job done. Thank you for joining me for another Fat Potato Cooks by Raj. Hope you enjoy it. Next time I'll show you what we can use the SEV for in dishes, bel puri, papri char, without any cooking. So we just use what we made and eat it. Great. See you later. Bye.